Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an alternative to Canva. Canva is one of the best editing graphic design sites in which you can go to edit your videos, your thumbnails, your logo, or whatever design you want. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you another alternative in which you can use if you don't want to use your Canva. You know, Canva is quite saturated and a lot of people are using the same templates over and over again. Now, in this website I'm going to share with you, it will give you an option for you to be able to use their AI in order for you to generate whatever you want to create when it comes to designing your graphic design or your logos and what have you. Now, the name of this website I'm going to be sharing with you is known as Studio. Yeah, I will leave the link in the description in which you can be able to use to get into the site and get started with it. Now, if you look at the website here, this is how it looks like. And once you come in, you have the option for you to see the different templates in which they have in order for you to create whatever design you want. Name it logo, name it thumbnail, or whatever thing you want to create in order for you to design whatever you want. All you just need to do is to come here, pick whatever template you have in mind, and then get started with it. Now, if you come here, you will see that you have the option for you to log in order for all the design which you are designing to be in your system. Yeah. After you have done, you can also download it and make use of it. Now, let me take you through in order for you to understand how all of these things work. If you come to this text aspect, it gives you the option for you to use the different fonts which you want to use in creating designs. All you just need to do is to get started with it and then see what you want, how unique it is, and get started with it and start creating whatever design you have in mind. Now, if you come to this photo aspect, in which it gives you the option for you to pick whatever photo, whatever design, whatever you want. All you just need to do is just pick it, start designing it, edit it, and get started with it. If you come to this icon aspect, it gives you the option for you to use all the different icons to create your logos, whatever you have in mind. Now, all these icons are all for free. If you have been using Canva, you agree with me that some of these icons you need to pay for it, you need to subscribe to it in order for you to start making use of them. But here it's giving it for free, and then you can get started with it and start creating whatever you have in mind. If you come to the shape aspect too, it gives you the lines and shape in which you can be able to use it to create different lines, different shape, different size of whatever you have in mind. Now, if you go down below here, you will see the upload aspect. Here it gives you the option for you to upload whatever image from your system or from your phone down to your design or where you are designing. Now, all you just need to do is upload them, send it to the site, and then get started with it and start creating whatever you have in mind. Apart from that too, if you go down below here, it gives you the option for you to remove the background or use a different background that will be provided. Now, if you are creating your designs and you want to change the background of this particular design, you make use of one of the background in order for you to design what you want. They have unique backgrounds in which you can use. All you just need to do is to be creative, know what to do. And if you look at most of these backgrounds, they are quite unique and quite catching, and you can also use them. You have the layout aspect. You can have the option for you to resize whatever you want to resize, and then this quote aspect in which they have is where you can be able to use the different code, use it in your design, and get started with it, whether movie codes, love codes, and all of that. Then you have the QR code where you can be able to scan and then start creating what you want to do. Now, in this AI generator, this is the unique part. Now, this AI generator, this is where you can be able to give a description of the exact image, the exact thing you have in mind, and the exact picture you have in mind when you want to create. All you just need to do is to give them a full description of what you want to create. I think I will do a video on how you can be able to use all of these things and then get started with it to start creating. I'll try and see how I'll make in another video where I'll show you how to create or how to make use of these websites in creating different stuff. I'm just showing you how all of these things work or what they do and all of that. Once you're done creating whatever thing you want to create, you can come to this aspect, download it with the format in which you want, and then it will be down to your system or inside your phone. All you just need to do is to understand how all of these things work. It's quite easy to use, quite self-explanatory, but I will do a video on them, on how you can be able to design using this website known as Polotno Studio. in which is quite new and many people are jumping into it and designing or making the best design of what they are looking for. I think you guys can try it and see how unique it is, and then get started with it and start enjoying this website. As I see you on the next one, please stay safe. I love you all. Peace.